SPD booth here in Light Embedding Fair in Frankfurt, Germany. I am Jean-Philippe Garzon, Global Product Manager for Surge Protected Devices, and I am with Sebastiano Paganini, Global Product Manager for Digital Solution. eOVR is ABB first range of digital surge protected devices. And once connected to the inside solution, it can transfer a vast amount of data to the inside control unit. But how can you utilize all this information collected?
So, all the data collected is analyzed and visualized in the inside web server. The remote monitoring is particularly useful for far-to-reach installations, such as wind turbines, so the system can be easily maintained even from mobile device. All that will give you even the possibility to implement predictive maintenance suggestion in order to optimize the system.